Your impudence will not be tolerated. Your whole body is a weak spot. Launch attack! It would take an army to stop me. Initiate retreat. Launch attack.
Jai? Inya di Jai. Inya di Jai.
Initiate retreat. Initiate
Ah.
retreat. Initiate retreat. Your whole body is a weak spot. Your impudence will not be tolerated.
What are you doing?
First blood. Launch attack. Turtle ally has been slain. It would take an army to stop me. Ally has been slain. Request backup. Our turret has been destroyed. Request backup. Your impudence will not be tolerated. Ally enemy has been slain. Double kill. Request launch attack. It would take an army to stop me. Team destroyed a turret. Request backup. An ally has slain the turtle. Your whole body is a weak spot. Our turret has been destroyed. Launch attack. Initiate retreat. It would take an army to stop me. Initiate retreat.
Put add water na ako.
Your whole body is a weak spot. Request backup. Our turret destroyed the turret. Initiate retreat. Ally, you have slain an enemy. Turtle resurrecting soon. It would take an army to stop me. Ally launch attack. Your impudence will not be tolerated.
No, Minecraft.
Kick! Give me the ball.
Flashlight, 89 wow. Like,
Only the fearless are.
Oh.
Lord of the heavens. An ally has slain the turtle.
It's Spider-Man.
Your whole body is a weak spot. Hero shut down. You have slain an enemy. Initiate retreat. Our turret, you destroy the turret.
I apparently have a memory condition and I always forget something every single time. So I do apologize if we have to drop call. So make sure that you all these things
An
are
enemy has been
make sure
slain.
that you
Ally
do
has
So
an enemy has
that one, if you prefer this
team
way, it's not
destroyed
the
a
same
turret.
place as what you thought we just achieved.
An enemy has been slain.
Don't break them.
Double kill.
And place up left diagonally back.
Jasmine, look. If you walk,
It would take an
if you
army
walk.
to
Go
stop
up by
me.
two. 1, 2. Doing up the right diagonal. Right by two. 1, 2. Down right diagonal.
Only the fearless
Down by
are.
two.
Backup to the heavens.
Bottom left diagonal. And left of this diagonal. Place an acacia door like this.
Shut down.
What we then want to do is on top of all of these blocks, and this 6 row on top of each.
Your
1,
team
2,
destroyed a turret.
3,
An enemy
4,
has been
5,
slain.
6. And bear in mind that you do also want to form above the door using your potion as well. So simply make sure that every single one of these rows of blocks, of which there are
An enemy has been
12
slain.
or so in total, you want to make them all the tentacles that surround the octopus. So grabbing your light grey concrete, you want to do this. You want to know that each take these blocks. So you want to take this block and this block on each one of 4 sides, and you want to place a light grey concrete coming out of each one of these blocks. So on the front, for instance, on these sides, this one and this one block off the ground and the left and right of your particular side. You want to place a light grey concrete like so. And there's a reason for this. We then want to take those blocks and you want to extend them one row towards you, one row down, and one row out. Like that.
Maminsan ba sa mundo papaborot to danon mo di kape
So
ah?
remember, start with one row towards you, one row down, one row towards you. And
Daddy, I want to watch that.
Oh, watch it.
and these are
Kung Fu Panda, bro!
basically
You have slain an enemy. Launch attack. Oh, sorry. Request backup.
Daddy, it's Combo Panda. Oh my goodness, Combo Panda, baby.
An ally has slain. An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Hey, very nice. Launch attack. Killing spree. The turret. You have slain an enemy. Killing. Your team destroyed a turret. It would take an army to stop me. Launch attack.
Doritos.
Mm-hmm.
Attack. Killing spree.
Is that the obby, Daddy?
Your team destroyed
Yes.
a cat.
Hindi ko na. No! 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 No!
Mega kill. Victory.
Hey, where's Billy? He's supposed to be doing his push-ups. There he fell on the softwood floors, and now he's falling into the... He always knew his kids could use it.